Hello and welcome back to Future Forward by CallMiner, the series where we dig into enterprise conversation intelligence, CX automation, and AI-powered customer engagement with people who actually live this stuff. So today I am joined by Duncan McLeod, editor at TechCentral, someone who's been covering technology, digital infrastructure, and the business realities of innovation in South Africa for years. So Duncan, welcome. Everybody's talking about AI agents right now. So virtual assistants that book appointments, resolve service tickets, or even negotiate contracts. But there in South Africa, are we seeing real transformation or just another tech hype cycle?
So I think it's probably a bit of both. You've got some genuinely exciting pilots out there, for example, in property and financial services, where AI agents are automating steps that used to take a human days or even weeks. There's also a lot of noise, beautifully marketed AI agents that are basically just scripted chatbots with a new label. I think the difference comes down to whether the business has the plumbing in place, the infrastructure to run these systems, the clean and connected data they need to work with, and the governance to make sure they behave in line with your brand and legal obligations.
So it's not buy the AI and you're done. It's a lot more foundational.
Exactly. So a retail bank might dream about an AI agent that handles, say, 70% of their customer service calls. But if their data is a mess, their call center systems are siloed, and their connectivity drops during power cuts, the AI agent's going to give bad answers or it's going to fail outright.
That's interesting because South Africa's got both advanced sectors and real infrastructure gaps. So are there particular industries that you think are going to lead the charge?
For sure. I think telecoms is going to push very hard. They have high customer interactions and incentive to cut wait times. I think banking and insurance too, because they were really quite digitized and pretty advanced. Property is a surprising one. We've seen AI agents already closing rental deals. But I think the standouts will be those that solve a real customer pain point, not just deploy tech for headlines.
And what about the trust factor? So people can be quite skeptical. Nobody wants to feel like they're talking to a machine that's just winging it.
For sure, Alex. I think trust is absolutely massive. If a customer catches your AI making mistakes or being misleading, you'll set adoption back by years. That's why human oversight is absolutely non-negotiable. Think of AI agents as junior staff, smart, quick, needing supervision and training. You wouldn't put them on the front line without a manager ready to step in.
Yeah, that's very true. So if we look ahead 12 to 24 months, what's going to separate the leaders from the laggards?
So I think the leaders will treat AI agents as part of their core business process, not an experiment that kind of sits off to the side. They'll measure them like they do any employee, things like KPIs, outcomes, return on investment. They'll invest in skills, data quality, reliable infrastructure, and they won't oversell what AI can do. They'll win trust by delivering on promises. Laggards, I think those will be the ones chasing buzz without fixing the basics.
That's a great filter. So fix the basics, then scale the magic. Duncan, thank you so much for cutting through the noise. For everyone watching, how do you see AI agents working in your world, whether that's hype or transformation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Future Forward conversation. Thank you very much, Duncan.
Thanks, Alex.